Hi, and welcome to Section 3, Animations of Gif Drawables. In this section, we are going to learn how to add animated GIF drawables to the resources folder of your project, how to load resource content with the newly introduced image decoder of Android 9, how to work with the new animated image drawable class, and how to perform post-processing of animated resources. But first, let's again start off with a definition. So as we are working a lot with so-called GIF images, it makes sense to explain what GIF actually means. And GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format, and it basically describes bitmap images that support 256 different colors per image, as well as animations with multiple frames, which we are going to focus on a lot in this video. On the bottom, down below here, you can see a sample GIF that shows a smiley consisting of 3 frames, representing the happy, neutral, and sad state of the smiley. So because of copyright issues, I just created this image myself. It kind of looks creepy, I just realized it, but anyways, let's move on. Loading GIF resources with image decoder. So before we're getting started, I wanted to show the 3 images that I created with the happy, neutral, and sad state that make up my animated GIF image. So as a first step, in order to get this GIF image into your Android Studio project, you simply copy this file and then head over to your Android Studio project. So I just basically created a brand new Android Studio project, and then you just highlight your drawable folder and paste. And then a dialog should come up that allows you to add this GIF resource to your Android Studio project. And by clicking OK, you're confirming that. Then you can assign a name. And after again clicking OK, the GIF image should be added to the drawable folder of your Android Studio project. So as a next step, we're going to make use of the newly introduced image decoder class to load this animated GIF from the resources. And in order to do that, we first have to create a so-called source. The image decoder provides a static function for creating an image source, which is called create source. And in our case, we're going to choose create source from resources by resource ID. So here we're just providing the resources, and for the ID, we are providing the ID of our animated GIF. So now that we have created our source, as the next step, we can now load the animated GIF with the image decoder. So I'm creating a drawable variable, or constant in this case, which I will assign the animated GIF to. I'm making use of the decode drawable function of the image decoder, and I'm providing my previously created source. So right now, the animated GIF should be stored inside this drawable here. And now in order to show the drawable, obviously we need to have an image view display that drawable. And for that reason, I created a very simple image view in my main activity, which has the ID image view. And we are going to use that image view to display the drawable. So heading back to main activity, I'm going to invoke image view, and then I'll just click return to import it, and then I'm going to use the set image drawable function to set my drawable. And now this should actually be enough to display my drawable resource in the image view. So I'm going to execute my program right now by clicking the Run button. Let's head over to the simulator to show the image. So right now you can see that I've just loaded the image and it's not animating yet, which is what we are going to focus on in the next video.